This is Earth Chats to the Point Snippets, bringing you insightful conversations in the bite size. If you'd like to hear more, make sure to check out the Earth Chats podcast on Spotify, YouTube, and various other platforms. You can find the links below. What piece of advice or actionable step can you give our listeners to help them reduce their impacts on the planet and also improve their lifestyle?
Okay, I think it kind of relates back to what you asked me previously, and definitely being a conscious consumer. So knowing where your food comes from. Suppose we're very blessed in the garden route to have lovely local producers and markets that we can go to and places we can go and find local produce. So supporting that, planting your own garden.
Yes.
Not everyone's an avid gardener, but you know, herbs it just gives you an appreciation for where food comes from.
Definitely.
And what it takes to grow food.
Definitely, because it's not easy.
It's not easy. So definitely that, and then I think always realize that you have an impact. So the choices we make, often people will say, well, what is my one decision going to make? What is my one plastic bag? You know, it's you know, if I go shopping, you know, with my Tupperware and my cloth bags from What the Bag, then you know, what impact am I making? But everyone has an impact, and 100%. So there is power in individual decisions, so that's a huge thing. And then educating yourself, you know. I think a lot of people don't have bad intentions, and I think people want to do better, but the key is education. So
definitely.
I think we're bombarded with information, but there's a lack of education.
Definitely.
So I think that's where it's wonderful what you're doing, and making people aware, and just making it practical for people, because I think that's what people need. That's what I do at the Nutrilicious Kitchen. I try and make health practical, so I think those are definitely what I would tell people.
Definitely, I love that, and so true. Education, and 100% with we all have an impact. That's like what I preach. I'm like, people, we all have an impact here. Doesn't matter if it's the tiniest thing, it will make a difference. And if it makes a difference in your life, it makes a difference overall. So I love that. Perfect. Have you taken the Plastic Pledge yet? I have. The Plastic Pledge is an awareness initiative with the aim of fighting the scourge of plastic pollution. If we know better, we can do better. And the most important thing that all of us can do as a community is to create awareness. Find the link to the Plastic Pledge below.